Hi judges, I'm Xiaonao Liu, founder and CEO of Nanobiofab. Early detection of bacteria in wounds can save lives. Like a smoke detector can save you from fire, our Wound Sentry offers a real-time, non-invasive detection of bacteria before an infection develops, visualizing what's happening beneath the dressing. Backed by DoD 3.3 million contracts and 15 patents, our breakthrough technology is set to revolutionize $20 billion wound care market. Join us this transformative journey to significantly impact wound care and save countless lives. Thank you.